More than 2000 purchases in just 1 month. Wow. What's so special about this product? Why are so many people buying it? And most importantly, is it really worth your money? Yes, Des Delight today is reviewing the Rellon Industry Study Table, a foldable, portable, and multi-purpose table that's perfect for students, professionals, or even for relaxing on your bed. So stay tuned as we uncover everything you need to know about this trending product. And here we go. As we all know that first impression matters a lot. And unfortunately, in today's case, the packaging fell short. The packaging is really quite disappointing. Just a bubble wrap with no carton box for protection. This is not ideal, and this will leave the table vulnerable to scratches or damage during transit. Actually, proper packaging would have offered better protection and a more premium feel. Okay, but let's not lose hope. Let's unwrap the bubble wrap and discover what's inside. Maybe the product will still surprise us. Despite the weak packaging, the table inside is impressive. Foldable, portable, and exactly as described. The table actually looks stunning after unboxing. Mostly black with a delicate grey effect adds a touch of sophistication and modern vibe. It's lightweight yet sturdy, weighing around 3 pounds, neither too heavy nor too light. It strikes a good balance between portability and sturdiness. The legs of the table are a mix of materials. The vertical ones are metal for stability, and the horizontal supports at the base are plastic, offering lightweight and stable. The legs are secured with screws and nuts that are visible and slightly popping out, which doesn't seem entirely safe. There's a risk of getting hurt if someone accidentally brushes against them. The board is of solid wood particle. So whether you need a laptop desk, bed table, or a laptop table, this product serves all purposes. It's perfect for writing, studying, or enjoying meals comfortably. From adults to kids, this mini table is suitable for all ages. There are many table slots which can save space on your desktop and make it easier to use your phone and tablet. The table comes with a storage tray located near the holder, which is a thoughtful addition. However, the tray was a bit tight to open for the first time, though I believe it will become smoother with regular use. This is a positive feature as it adds functionality, but there's an opening near the holder for finger placement to lift the table, and I am scared that small items in the tray could potentially fall out through this gap. The table also features some thoughtfully designed spaces for added convenience. After the storage tray, there's round spaces to keep pens and pencils upright, ensuring they are always within reach. Additionally, there's a dedicated slot to securely hold a tablet, as well as another space for keeping your phone upright without the risk of it falling. And to top it off, they have included a cup holder which is designed in a way to prevent spills and keep your drink stable. With all these features combined, it's clear why this table is so popular. It's not just functional, but something that almost everyone would want to own. And as you all can see that even my cat was delighted and thrilled to see it, as if she felt like it should belong to her. She has claimed it already, treating it as her personal throne, and you know what? Now it feels like a true multi-purpose table, not just for humans but also for pretty feline royalty in the house. It's no surprise that it's been a hit with so many buyers. Okay, next we decided to test the strength and stability of the Rellon multipurpose table under various scenarios such as writing, coloring, and other activities. Actually, I just wanted to see if the table remains stable or if it shakes or moves from its position during use. To put it to the test, I tried coloring a mandala picture while applying significant pressure with my hand. I wanted to check whether the colors would stay within the borders or if a shaky table would cause them to stray. I made a conscious effort to press down firmly on the table to evaluate its stability. And after thorough testing, I found that the table was stable and secure. It did not shake or move even when I applied extra pressure. That means a big thumbs up for this. The table performed impressively well, providing a steady surface for activities like coloring. However, I would still recommend avoiding excessive pressure to maintain its long-term durability and ensure an optimal experience for users. After sharing my initial positive reviews about the Rellon table, I actually want to include that I continued it using for several days to test its long-term performance. And during one of these uses, I noticed a very slight crack on the surface of the table. While it might not be immediately visible to everyone, I could clearly identify that it wasn't a part of the design, but a small crack which made me concerned. This observation made me realize that the importance of handling the table with care. If the table is not used cautiously or properly, there is a possibility that the crack could worsen, potentially leading to a damage or breakage. Another point which I would like to mention is that the table is made of wood, which requires special care. Make sure that the table does not come in contact with water, as exposure to water could cause the wood to swell, leading to cracks or bending, which might weaken or even break the table. Similarly, the table should not be placed in areas with high moisture levels, as this could also damage the wooden structure over time. And I even felt that such cracks or breakages could occur due to the poor packaging as well. And as we all know that how deliveries are handled, packages are moved around so roughly even before the product reaches the customer. So I feel the seller should provide adequate package protection during the transit. Okay, so before winding up this video, I want to highlight that everything about this table is genuinely very impressive. The strength, color, stability, multi-purpose design, slots are all superb. However, knowing that many people are buying this table, I strongly believe that the seller should consider the customer's feedback seriously. I feel the seller could take steps to improve both the inbuilt quality and the packaging quality of the table. So according to me, overall the table is good to use if handled with care. But yes, I cannot guarantee its longevity. Alright everyone, I hope this video has helped you get a clear idea about the pros and cons of the Rellon multipurpose table. And let me tell you that the price of this table is $548, which is quite reasonable considering its features. So if you found this video helpful in any way, please don't forget to like, share and comment. Also do subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos. Now before ending the video, coming to the rating part, according to me, I would rate this table a 7 out of 10. While it has many great features like strength, stability, color and multi-purpose slots, but still I feel there is room for improvement, especially in the packaging and inbuilt quality. So hey viewers, thank you so much for watching the video, and we will be back again with more such exciting new videos. So stay tuned to Dust Delight, your ultimate stationery destination.